Okay, so it's a little rainy and dreary today, so that's perfect day for a acoustic Smashing Pumpkins song. So I'm doing a little tutorial on Stumbleine. It's a track off Melancholy. I think it's on the second disc, but it's structurally it's a pretty simple song. It has a specific finger picking pattern, but you know, I can show you the chords. And but Billy Corgan had a way of writing. I mean, he's one of my favorite musicians, songwriters of all time. Just an awesome human being, brilliant mind. But he could make things as complicated as he wanted or as simple as he wanted, and he was a true artist. But this song structurally is pretty simple. Now, well, first of all, my guitar is, if you're gonna play along to this, my guitar is tuned down a whole step, because I can't sing very high. Well, I can't sing very good at all anyway, but I can't sing high. So I keep my guitar, so an E, you know, if I put that into a tuner, that's actually a D. So I'm tuned down a whole step. So I'm just gonna call the chords out as if you were in standard tuning, just because it's easier for me that way. But it starts out F sharp, so you got octaves there. You know, you're on the 9th fret on the A string and the 7th fret on the B string, and you just move that up one, you know, to the 10th and the 8th. Now, here is the theme from a guitar perspective of the song is drone, is open strings. So in between those, that's what you're doing. So you're hitting those at the same time, then your D string and G string are open. Singing is more like a power chord, like a B minor power chord, but you're leaving the D open. Again, a drone. A, back to B minor, D open. Then to G, A, and C, G, B minor, A, back to, so that's the verse. Pretty simple. It's really pretty though. Here's the chorus. You're just sliding up, you're keeping that pattern of that power chord with that D string ringing, and you're going up to D, so it's D, E, open D, A, E, open D, G, D, open D. So it's what they never knew can never get to you. To C, I'll be Stumbleine, I'll be a super queen, make you, back to B minor, B, A, come around Ruby, I could never sleep alone. Pretty simple, beautiful, good song. Yeah, that's that droning though. It's that droning that keeps that kind of going, and the texture when you hear the track, the texture of his picking. I I think he played an Ovation on that recording. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure he had an old black Ovation guitar back then, but he also has played many different guitars. When it came to acoustics, he's played around with a few, but it sounds like an Ovation to me. And then the phosphor bronze rewound strings, you can really hear the texture of his fingers in that song, and the noise. It's all very natural and organic sounding. It sounds like what it is. It's just probably, I don't know how he recorded it. He probably did it one take, just with a mic and a mic on the guitar, because it sounds like that. It sounds very natural and not compressed and overproduced. But anyway, yeah, it's just, so it's just a good song. Boredom's in the bathroom, shaking out the loose teeth. Sally's in the stirrups, claiming her destiny. So yeah, and then I'll be a Stumbleine, I'll be a super queen, and make you me. Come around, Ruby, I could never sleep alone. That's it. Yeah, I love the Smashing Pumpkins. Have a good day.